Now we are going to see about chapter 6 trigonometry, important 5 marks. Okay. The first problem, from a point on the ground, the angles of elevation of the bottom and the top of the tower fixed at the top of a 30-meter high building are 45° and 60° respectively. Find the height of the tower. Here we have to find the height of the tower, and they given the point angle of elevation from the bottom and top of the tower is 45° and 60°. Okay. Here given from the point of 30 meter, the angle of elevation is 45°. Okay. And from the height of the building, the angle of elevation is 60°. Okay. Here it is B, P, A, C. Okay. Here we have to find the height of the building. Okay. Solution, here from the triangle CBP we get 60°. From the here tan 60° is equal to CB divided by BP. Here AC plus AB. Okay. So AC plus AB is equal to 30 plus H divided by, here BP is, we have to find the BP. Okay. So tan 60° is √3. So √3 is equal to 30 plus H BP. Okay. Now from the triangle ABP, here tan 45° is equal to AB divided by BP. Here AB is 30 meter and BP is, we have to find. Okay. So here tan 45 is 1. So 1 is equal to 30 divided by BP. Here BP is equal to 30 meter. Okay. So we have to substitute BP value in the equation 1. Okay. Here we are going to substitute the value BP. So √3 into 30 is equal to 30 plus H. So H is equal to 30 into √3 minus 30. Okay. Here we can write it as 30 into √3 minus 1. Okay. Here it can be written as 30 into 0.732 minus 1. So here we get the answer as 21.96. H is approximately 22 meter. Okay. So here the height of the tower is 51.96 meter. Okay. Second problem, if sin theta plus cos theta is equal to P and secant theta plus cosecant theta is equal to Q, then prove that Q into P square minus 1 is equal to 2P. Solution, here we know the given data, sin theta plus cos theta is equal to P and secant theta plus cosecant theta is equal to Q. Okay. Now we have to find P square. LHS P square, Q into P square minus 1. Okay. So now we are going to take P square. So here P is sin theta plus cos theta whole square. It can be written as sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 into sin theta cos theta. Okay, it can be written as p square is equal to sin theta plus cos square theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, so here sin square theta and cos square theta becomes 1. So 1 plus 2 into sin theta into cos theta. Okay, now we have to find p square minus 1. So p square minus 1 is 1 plus 2 sin theta into cos theta minus 1. So 1 plus minus 1 cancel. Here we get 2 into sin theta into cos theta. Okay, now we have to find q into p square minus 1. Here q is secant theta plus cosecant theta is equal to q. Okay, so into 2 into sin theta into cos theta. Okay, here secant theta is 1 by cos theta plus cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta into 2 into sin theta into cos theta. Okay, now we are going to take LCM. So sin theta plus cos theta divided by cos theta into sin theta into 2 into sin theta plus cos theta. Okay, here cos theta into sin theta cancel. Here we get 2 into sin theta plus cos theta. Okay, here p is equal to sin theta plus cos theta. So here we get 2p. Okay, here hence prove that q into p square minus 1 is equal to 2p. Okay. Third problem, from the top of a tower 60-meter high, the angle of depression of the top and the bottom of a vertical lamp post are observed to be 38° and 60° respectively. Find the height of the lamp post. Okay, now here given is it's a tower. It is the height of total height of 60 meter. It is the lamp post, it is the bottom and it is the top. From it has a angle of depression. Okay, one is 38° and another one is 60°. Here top is 38° and to the bottom is 60°. Okay, here this is a point E, this is the point C. Here we have to find its H. It is X. Okay, this is D, this is B and this is point A. Okay, we have to find the height of lamp post. Okay, the lamp post is X. Okay, solution from the triangle ABC. Okay, we get tan 38° is equal to y by x. So here tan 38° is 0.7813 is equal to x by y. It gives x is equal to 0.7813 y. It's equation number 1. Now we are going to take the triangle AED. Okay. So from the triangle AED we get tan 60 degree is equal to x plus h divided by y. Okay. So here x plus h is 60. So 60 divided by y. Here tan 60 degree is root 3. So root 3 divided by y. Here root 3 value is 0.732. Y is equal to 60. Here we get y is equal to 60 divided by 0.732. So here y value is 60 divided by 0. We are going to get the value of x. X is equal to 0.7813 into y. So here y value is 60 divided by 0.732. Okay. Now we get the cancel it. We get the answer as x is equal to 27.064. We have to find the height of the lamp. So here we get C is equal to h plus x. So 60 minus 27.064. Here we get 32.93 meter. Okay. So the height of the lamp post is 32.93 meter. Fourth problem. Given tan A is equal to 4 by 3. Find the other trigonometric ratios of the angle A. Okay. Here solution. The given triangle can be written as A, B, C. It is 4 and this is 3. It can be here k is an positive integer. We have to find all the angles of the A. Okay. So now we are going to find the here AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. It is the Pythagoras theorem. Here we get 4k whole square plus 3k whole square. So here we get 4 4s are 16k square plus 9k square. Here we get 25k square. So here AC is equal to 5k. Okay. So AC is equal to 5k. Here we get AC is equal to 5k. Okay. Now we are going to write all the trigonometric ratios of the given identity. Okay. So now sin A. Here sin A is equal to BC divided by AC. Okay. Here BC value is 4k divided by AC value is 5k. Here we get 4 by 5. Okay. Now cos A. Cos A is equal to AB divided by AC. Okay. Here AB value is 3k. So 3k divided by AC value is 5k. So here we get 3 by 5. Now we are going to take cot A. So cot A is equal to 1 by tan A. Here tan A value is 4 by 5. So here tan A value is 4 by 3. Here we get 1 by 4 by 3. We get 3 by 4. Okay. Now cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta. So 1 by sin A. 1 by sin A value is 4 by 5. So here we get cosecant A is equal to 5 by 4. Now secant A. Secant A is 1 by cos A. So cos A value is 3 by 5. So secant A value is 5 by 3. Okay. So these are the trigonometric ratios of the given angle A. Okay. Thank you friends. Please subscribe and share my channel.